we got the there's so many wires, but we got the CPU cooler. It's on the side instead of the top, and I had to obviously put the fans in the front here because fans suck. Bass sucks. So yeah. And then there's some fans up top here, and we have a fan down there. Now I have to install my power supply. So yeah, this is what's happening right now. I plugged in my audio, my USB 3. I don't know what these are, so I'm going to find out soon where to plug these in. But other than that, this is the RGB hub that I bought off of Amazon. These are for the fans because my RGB isn't compatible with the motherboard, so I had to buy this. It's a 3-pin hub and it comes with an extension. This attaches to the SATA cable, the remote control, which powers to the SATA cable, which I will show you soon. So yeah.
Cables from your power supply, then it's always best to plug that in regardless. I mean, if you have them anyways, might as well use them. You're also going to need a PCI cable. This provides power to your power supply. It's usually labeled PCI on the connector itself. The power supply always comes with at least one of these PCI cables, and it's usually split into two 8-pin cables, as you can see here. So you should have a total of 16 pins. In order to find out how many you need for your graphics card, you have to locate the PCI connector on it and count the number of holes in it. As you can see, my graphics card has two 8-pin connectors for a total of 6 pins. The rest of the cables are Thanks. Brackets. Once the PCI brackets are removed, we are now ready to plug in the graphics card. Remove any protective covering GPU might have from the side and from the back where the ports are located. Grab the graphics card from the bottom, gently bring it close to the top PCI slot, and slide it in until you hear a click or until the push the tab open to access your graphics card.
Okay, it's recording. I did it! Yo, I did it! I did it! Oh my god! Yo, I did it! I did it! Okay, so I switched to my camera because first of all my phone is full of storage. But I did it! I'll show you guys again on HD quality, I guess. Oh, I need to peel this off. Oh my gosh. And I also have my mellow ready to be inserted. Here, you guys. Boop. You can hear it turn on. Oh my gosh. Can't really see that much because it's in the light, but I'll literally show you guys when it's nighttime. With the remote control, so I can change it to red, blue, green, white. I can also do auto, speed, mode. There's different modes. There's this one. I'm gonna put my mellow in, and I also have some decals I'm gonna add on the tempered glass. So yeah. Now I have to deal with cable management in the back. So I don't have any zip ties or anything, so I'm literally using the ones that it comes with, but obviously it's not like there's a problem. So I'm just gonna fix this. And then also the RGB hub that I bought from Amazon has a 3M at the back, so I'm just gonna paste that down there, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. I couldn't fit my mellow down here, so I had to put it up here. That's okay. Getting wild up in here. This mellow. Oh, remembered I have this decal from GP, and I'm gonna put it right over here, so it like completes the whole look. Using the motherboard CD. Oh, you can't even see it. You can't even see it on the top like that. Smoothing it out. Do a little peel. Oh, that's strong. Oh, this is meant for cars, by the way. Well, not meant for cars, but I wanted to keep these decals for whenever I get a car, which is probably like in 2 years. But you know, I still wanted to get one. Look how cute. So cute. And that is my rearranged my desk and I need to get some 2 monitor stands